What if I told you that you could bring a little restaurant magic right into your own kitchen? Molecular gastronomy isn't just for science labs or fancy chefs anymore. You don't need a PhD, just some curiosity, basic tools, and a hunger to try something new. Let's unlock the secrets of molecular gastronomy at home. First, the essentials. You don't have to spend thousands on equipment. My starter kit? Agar-agar. Sodium alginate, calcium chloride, citric acid, and lecithin powder. All easy to find online or even at some grocery stores. For tools I use a hand blender, a kitchen scale, a few syringes or pipettes, and an ice bath, just a big bowl of water and ice. Now let's prep two simple solutions. Agar-agar gel, 2 grams of agar-agar powder with 100 milliliters of water, heat it up gently until it dissolves. For spherification, blend 2 grams of sodium alginate with 200 milliliters of water, then let it rest so it's bubble-free. Ready for some real magic? Here's spherification. Mix your favorite citrus juice with that sodium alginate solution, then use a syringe to drop it into a calcium chloride bath. Instantly, tiny glistening spheres form, trapping the flavor inside. Scoop them out after a minute or two, rinse, and boom! Flavor bombs that pop in your mouth. Want to get even fancier? Try reverse spherification for creamy sauces or yogurts. Add calcium lactate to a basil puree, drop it into the sodium alginate bath, and you'll get larger spheres with liquid, creamy centers. It's a real flavor explosion. Let's talk foams. They look fancy, but they're super easy. Just combine 100 milliliters of fruit puree with a gram of lecithin powder, blend it up, and skim off that airy cloud. Top a tart for something sweet, or spoon a tomato foam onto pasta for a gourmet twist. Play with texture, light, dense, or bubbly, just by tweaking your technique. Here's the best part. Molecular gastronomy is all about experimenting. Start simple, get creative, and let your kitchen be your playground. I want to see what you come up with. Tag me, share your wildest food lab wins, and don't forget to subscribe for even more culinary adventures.